love your enemies. This is what I have come to tell you. Love your enemies.
Being someone who wasn't so outspoken and in my shell, even being here would have seemed like a task. I would have shied away from it. But 3 days later, here I am talking to a camera after talking to a group of people in the room.
I wanted to do stand-up comedy as a career, so I thought, why not learn public speaking, which I need for that. So coming to this workshop was a big help, and in the future, I'm sure it'll help me.
I have spoken before, but it's helped me build my confidence more than what I have already have.
We played games and activities that made me more free, like talking to other people or else, and the elocution performance made me more confident in public speaking, individual elocution performance, and the debate ones, one of the most interesting and funny. So thank you.